Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize make.com with PayPal for faster order sync. To get started, open your web browser and go to make.com. Sign in to your make.com account with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the integrations section on the left menu and click on it. In the integrations list, find and select PayPal. You will see an option to connect or authorize PayPal. Click on that option to initiate the authorization process. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter your PayPal credentials. Enter your PayPal email and password, then click Login. If prompted, grant the necessary permissions to make.com. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to your make.com dashboard. Verify that your PayPal account is now listed as connected. To ensure successful sync, perform a test transaction. Check your make.com account for order updates from PayPal. If the order sync is successful, you're all set. Should you encounter any issues, retry the authorization process. Make sure to check PayPal's permission settings if problems persist. By following these steps, you can simplify your order management with faster syncs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.